Those in Baker's Bay have to awaken this instinct and learn to hunt from scratch. Jackals are natural-born hunters. By watching them focus their attack on a young fur seal, the apprentice hunter comes to understand that the young are the easiest prey and that the adults do not defend them. It also realizes that even young fur seals are too big for the jackals, who struggle to finish them off. But the hyena is strong enough and can take the jackal's place, becoming the dominant hunter. The hyenas readily accept the presence of jackals. The hyenas do not eat the organs of their prey, which are rich in protein, and like all felines, they leave the meat for the scavengers, the jackals. Baker's Bay is witnessing a genuine role reversal. The scavenger has gradually become the hunter, and the hunter has turned into a scavenger. This is a unique shift in the history of African wildlife.